Okay, quick question for you. Have you ever found yourself scrolling on your phone or watching videos when you should be doing something important, like maybe that homework, work project, or even just cleaning your room? That little habit has a name, and today we are talking all about procrastination. What it is, why it happens, and how can we actually handle it better. So, let's get into it. So, procrastination basically means putting off things we know we need to do. It's not about being lazy, that's a common myth. It's more like we delay doing something even though we know it's important. And most of the time, we are not just chilling, we are stressed about not doing it but still not doing it. So, why does this happen? Sometimes the task feels too big or overwhelming, or maybe it's boring or something you just don't enjoy. Sometimes we feel anxious or worried about failing, and sometimes it's just lack of motivation or energy. So, basically, procrastination happens when we try to avoid discomfort or difficult feelings. So, yeah, now how do you know if you are procrastinating? Here are some common signs. You keep telling yourself, I'll do it later, but later never comes. You find yourself doing unrelated stuff like organizing your desk or checking social media instead of the important task. You feel guilty or stressed about not getting things done, and you rush at the last minute because the deadline is close. Now, what's the big deal, right? We all do it, but over time, procrastination can really mess with us. It increases stress and anxiety, it lowers our confidence. We start doubting ourselves, we miss opportunities or deadlines, and sometimes it even affects our sleep, our mood, and our relationships. And the worst part, it becomes a cycle. We avoid, we feel bad, and then we avoid more because we feel bad. Okay, let's talk about solutions now. Not in a wake up at 5 a.m. and change your life kind of way, but real practical stuff. Break it down. Big tasks feel scary, so break them into small and tiny steps. Set a timer. Try the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes of focused work and 5-minute break. It works wonders. Start messy. Don't wait for motivation or the perfect moment. Just start even if it's imperfect. Remove distractions. Keep your phone in another room or use an app that blocks distractions for a while. Be kind to yourself. Talk to yourself like you would to a friend. And reward yourself. After finishing something, give yourself a treat. Like a short break, a walk, a snack, whatever works for you. So, if you have been struggling with procrastination, just know that it doesn't mean you're lazy, it doesn't mean you're not capable, it just means you're a human. We all have our moments. What matters is becoming more aware and taking small, simple steps. And thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who might need it. And don't forget to comment and subscribe to my channel Thrive with Chaitra. I will see you in the next one, and until then, take care and keep thriving. Bye bye.